Hello, hello, and hello. How to use your imagination as your superpower. Your imagination, your faculty of creating things from the unexistent to the existent purely through your mind and your beating heart, is the ability to create yourself in the world as you deem to be. Remember, as a child, your imagination was running wild, your third eye was blossoming open. But most of us, as we grow into the programmed society, we lose our sense of imagination. So our third eyes get a little bit closed. Pineal gland isn't as activated. Our hearts aren't beating as purely, freely as they once were. To unshackle yourself from the prison chains that you may have self-inflicted on yourself, but it isn't entirely your fault. But it is your duty to unshackle yourself, to free yourself from your mental prison. By tapping into your superpower, which that you can call the imagination, you can learn to create things out of the uncreated that you wish to create, because it's something that you hold true to your heart. Your heart longs for it. The more you discover self-knowledge, may it be astrology, may it be through meditation, may it be through journaling, many spiritual practices and disciplines you can get into. And I can mention them in a future video. But remember, you have the power. If you're watching this right now, you have access to knowledge on your fingertips. You can learn about plentiful amounts of spiritual practices by just doing some research and seeing what resonates with you and sticks with you. And let your heart decide. Use your imagination. Manifest yourself in the physical plane through imagination, through the ideas that you can play with. Next, find your place where you can feed your imagination, where your imagination is fed through source energy. For me, it's nature, coming out through barefoot ground in the earth, through the water, through the air, and through that fiery ass sun. Fuels my imagination like crazy. Fuels my beating heart. Fuels my love for existence. Now you too must find your place where your imagination is fueled, self-nurturing. I like to think that my mind is a playground. I can test all sorts of things. I can travel to anywhere, anyhow, wherever I want in my mind, because I'm free. I'm freeing my mind to let it travel. And then you can naturally get into things like astral projection, telepathy, and more. Your imagination awaits you. Sound like a fucking PlayStation, greatness awaits type shit. I was here before, I'm here now, and I'll be here after. Forever, infinitely, along the nature